On our way to Rocky Creek Cellars in Templeton, California, we stopped for lunch at the Hitching Post, an outdoor venue right next to the restaurant made famous in the movie Sideways in 2004. It was a perfect day for outdoor seating in an extremely picturesque setting. We were able to make our way to the winery in the Paso Robles wine appellation by mid-afternoon, where we had a Harvest Host reservation for the evening. Right now it is October the 29th, it's a Wednesday, and we are in Paso Robles, and we are doing this little quick trip, only 2 nights that we're harvest hosting, because we have a new little storage yard that we're going to keep the Travato in, and it has actually a dump station actually there, so we don't have to plan our trips around cleaning up the tanks before we go home. So we're just going to see how that goes, and it's pretty warm today. It's 82 right now. Who would have thought in November it would be this warm, but it is. So anyhow, we are headed to Rocky Creek Cellars, and it's a Harvest Host, and it's a family-run winery. Started in the 90s by the grandpa, and now the son is running it. It's family run, and they claim that you're always going to see one of them in the tasting room, so we'll see about that. But just really a pretty drive out here.
If we stayed on this road, we would go all the way to the beach, to the ocean, so this takes us maybe halfway there. Going by Jack Creek Road right now. We are at Rocky Creek Cellars in Templeton, California, just outside Paso Robles. It's just going on 5 o'clock. And this is actually Game 5 of the World Series, going to start pretty soon. And this is a Harvest Host location. And so we are staying here for the night. And that is the tasting room. There's a nice area outside with some Adirondack chairs where we're sitting. We'll just take a little walk around the property and see what we can see here. This is a nice old wine press. Okay, and this is a memorial. Lover of wine, lover of the Carpe Diem. Yes, seize the day. That used to be the name of our wave runner. back in the day. It's a nice old truck here. Some barrels in the back. I think I'm going to take a walk up that hill. John says it's a pretty good view from up there. And the sun is just starting to go down. We've got time change coming up, I think, in a couple of days. And here's Kathy back out in the Adirondack cherries. We're drinking a bottle of the Petite Syrah. We are on Highway 46 west. If you travel this road another 10 or so miles, you'd end up at Cambria and then Morro Bay. Hearst Castle is all out that direction, and back the other 10 miles takes you to the town of Paso Robles and all the 200 wineries in that area. So this is a noisy road, but we feel like later tonight it won't be so busy. Maybe we can get a good night's sleep.
We are the only ones here.
Mm-hmm.
This guy named John, I think Johnny or whatever, he
John.
went away.
Mm-hmm.
We're enjoying a nice bottle of Petite Syrah. The wine was very nice that somebody's swimming in jacks.
I had a fellow traveler in my wine.
But a very nice bottle of wine, and we did a tasting. He only makes red wine. He's the winemaker. Very interesting fellow. From
Hungary.
I know, but originally then he lived in the Bay Area, Carmel area, I think he said, and did construction or something,
Yeah.
and
So here's an interesting thing. Looks like a little amphitheater, top of this hill. Got benches to seat, I don't know, more than 50 people. And then it looks like a stage here, or what it might have been a screen. Maybe they had screenings here sometime in the past. And then over here, you can see, I think, some of the vineyards down below and some of the rest of the property. So we have these gnome-like figurines out front. Very interesting things. And inside there's very interesting things as well. But it's ever so pleasant sitting out here by the grass in these Adirondack chairs.
John did share with us the next morning that his son built the amphitheater at the top of the hill for his wedding, and that it had been used subsequently for a few other weddings and also for screenings for a group of off-roaders that his son belongs to.